Well, my name is Wayne Sedlak, and I'm with author and researcher Mickey Paletta of the Citizens Reform Center. Mickey, there's probably nobody that knows more about the debt collection industry than you do. Your book, Deconstructing Money in Banking, is already well known across the country. Many authorities consider you to be the expert in the field. What's going on with so many foreclosures, debt collectors collecting debts on credit card? What's the story? What's the problem at root?
Wayne, there's no loans. So what's going on here now is that the bankers increase the money supply. So the people go out, they start to purchase all these homes. Then they contract the money supply like every 10 or 12 years. Then the people losing their jobs, and then the banks go in and foreclose on their homes. And people, this has to be stopped, and only you can do that. How that's got to be done is that you're going to have to wake up and say, we're no longer going to take this anymore, Wayne. So in other words, that's what it comes to.
In other words, the banking industry gives no value. They simply type up a form, send it to whomever, but they extract out of people, when things go bad, real value.
Exactly right.
They're getting a redistribution of real goods in their favor, and they give nothing. They give nothing except paper, a typed up piece of paper, and then it's all bookwork. It's all on the ledgers of the banks.
Wayne.
So the point of the matter here is simple. The revolution that you really created, we can put it that way, is that you've identified what they do inside the banks, and in the creation of so-called credit, it really isn't credit, they've allowed, through manipulation, a redistribution, a plundering ethic. It's legal plunder is what it really is. Is that correct?
Exactly right, and that's exactly what it is.
So, folks, if you're interested in learning more about why the foreclosure industry, the debt the so-called credit industry has been so hurtful to the American people, just go to the website at citizensdebtpro.com. Thank you.